Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Let's talk about process of MEO Class 2 examination. Without wasting any time, the first thing is 12 months C time completion. Now, if you want to really check whether your C time is there, whether you have the sufficient number of propelling times or not, whether you are eligible to give MEO Class 2 exams or not, go to Merchant Navy Decoded website, go to calculators, go to professional site, go to MEO Class eligibility calculator, click on the class 2 and then put all your details. You will find out whether you are eligible or not. So 12 months C time, done. Go for MEO class 2 preparatory course, 4 months course, go ahead, done. Certificate taken. Go for engine room simulator course, I think it's a 3-day course, done. Go to MMD, apply online, get MMD assessment done as per the checklist. Another video will be made on that, done. Then go for MEO class 2 exams. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Advanced courses के अंदर if you want to know, advanced firefighting, proficiency in survival craft and rescue boats, medical first aid, engine room simulator, all these courses should be valid at the time of applying for valid MEO class 2 exams. तो देख लो भाई valid है कि नहीं है, otherwise it's a problem. In case if you have not sailed on a vessel fitted with boiler like offshore vessels, then you need to do one more course, that is marine boiler and steam engineering course at operational level. Duration is 6 days. Since I was working on ships where we had boilers, so I never did this course. But if you do not have boilers and you have been working on offshore vessels, you have to do this course as well. Copied? Assessment process क्या है ये जान लेते हैं. So first thing is complete MEO class 2 preparatory course plus engine room simulator course. Update your DGS governance profile. Apply for assessment on DG website. इसके लिए हम अलग से separate video बनेगा. Do not worry. Fill up all the necessary details in pay and pay the fee. Done. Document verification by MMD and seat booking for exams. Copied. So this is the whole process that has to be followed. At all the details will be helping you. If you want to know the all complete details about assessment, what all things you have to do, how to apply for assessment, जो भी questions आपके, then Merchant Navy Decoded has made their own course for MEO class 2 people. Go do that course. It's a small course with 10 to 12, 15 videos, but your every question about MEO class 2 will be answered over there. The link for the eligibility calculator as well as for the free MEO class 2 course is in the description box. All I can say is Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. And yes, assessment checklist तो देख लो यार. This is your assessment checklist. So in this checklist you can see कि भैया checklist इसका भी link, the link for the assessment checklist is also in the description box. And in this checklist you will find, okay, if I have to apply, I need to have copy of CDC including relevant pages of sea service. I have to have copy of passport, copy of endorsed certificate, copy of MEO class 4, original sea service letter issued by owner of the vessel RPSL. उनके letters होने चाहिए. फिर उसके अलावा कॉपी ऑफ आर्टिकल ऑफ एग्रीमेंट इफ यू आर इंडियन फॉर इंडियन शिप वेसल्स. देन कॉपी ऑफ प्रिपरेटरी कोर्स, भाई आपने किया 4 मंथ्स का. प्रिंट आउट ऑफ सीफेयरर्स प्रोफाइल टू बी रिटर्न आफ्टर वेरिफिकेशन. डन. कॉपी ऑफ वैलिड मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम डीजी अप्रूव्ड डॉक्टर. एविडेंस ऑफ फीस पेड. डन. एंड डॉक्यूमेंट्स टू बी शोन एंड टेकन अवे. प्लीज फिल इन द सर्टिफिकेट नंबर एंड साथ में यू फिल द सर्टिफिकेट नंबर एंड सीट ओवर हियर, साइन, गिव इट. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स. सो असेसमेंट की जब मैं बात कर रहा हूं वेयर अ सेपरेट वीडियो विल बी कमिंग इन डिटेल एज वेल. तो उसके अंदर क्या है, सीडीसी इंक्लूडिंग रेलेवेंट पेजेस, व्हाट ऑल टाइप्ड अबाउट इट इज मेंशन्ड ओवर हियर. तो यहां पर आपको सीडीसी चाहिए बट विद ऑल द सी सर्विस पेजेस ओवर हियर. पासपोर्ट कॉपी ऑफ फर्स्ट 2 एंड लास्ट 2 पेजेस. कॉपीड. वैलिडिटी पेज ऑफ आरपीएसएल नंबर इशूड बाय द कंपनी. सी सर्विस टेस्टिमोनियल्स ऑल फॉर एडवांस कोर्सेज दैट दे आर वैलिड. राइट. MEO क्लास 4 COC, इंजन रूम सिमुलेटर कोर्स, preparatory course certificate, PSCRB certificate and all the advanced course certificate, right? Valid medical certificate, seafarer's profile updated. Total fees is around 11,050 rupees. Original sea service letter issued by the owner of vessel RPSL already discussed. Online fee printout भी चाहिए आपको. And I think so job is done. If you are applying for assessment, if you are watching this video, that means you are about to go for your MEO class 2 exams. Now guys, MEO class 4 package has already been there at Merchant Navy Decoded website. MEO class 1 package is already there. For MEO class 2 अभी तक package नहीं है, but maybe if you are watching the video and you go to the description box or to the pinned comment, if you find link to MEO class 2 package, that is the package has been already made. Go ahead, buy that package, invest on it. It will help you clear your MEO class 2 exams faster. And also one more thing I want to add is कि if you are watching this video and you want all the details about MEO class 2 course, exam related tips, tricks, everything, then is a special free course prepared by Merchant Navy Decoded, which is at Merchant Navy Decoded website. Go, the link is in the description box. Watch all the videos. आपको सारी अपडेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन वहाँ पे मिल जाएगी, विच विल हेल्प यू क्लियर योर MEO क्लास 2 फास्टर. जस्ट रिमेंबर, राइट इन्फॉर्मेशन इज द की. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जय हिंद.